Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to customize swipe to tap effects on Samsung keyboard. Alright, so first of all you need to download the app which is provided by the Samsung. It is called Good Lock. You can find it in Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. So after downloading, just tap on it. Now you need to scroll and find this Keys Cafe and tap. And here we will start usually with home. So we need to tap on the keyboard here. We will start on the design. So just make sure that you will tap on gestures or gesture, and here go to gesture design. As you can see, this is the basic gesture design. It is simply a a blue line that is following your finger. However, here in the effects, we can actually change the line into different icons. So for example, we can use this dollar icon, we can use this heart shape. Here we've got the spider also, the footprint, for some reason, the paw, etc. So as you can see, quite a lot of things that you can choose from. You can also select the colors. If you're not the biggest fan of this blue color, you can change it to those pastel-like colors or more vibrant red ones, blue colors, etc. There are plenty of options to choose from. Really, a lot of things to use. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something nice. If you cannot find the color, no worries. Here you've got this this color circle, and you can just go to the grid of colors. You can change the transparency and tap on done to use it. Moreover, here we've got this etc. So here we can change the other parameters, like for example the thickness. So we can make it less thick, so it is really small or really thick, so now we can really see the pattern. Same for speed, so you can make it really fast or much slower. And the transparency, if you're not the biggest fan of this opaque color, you can just change the transparency, and now we've got simply, I would say, a trail of the paws in my case. So actually, let me set it. If you're happy with the results, just tap on save here. Now we need to name our keyboard, so let me just name it. The theme has been applied, so now we can actually open the keyboard and check. So here we've got my keyboard, and let me try to write something, and as you can see, we've got the paws which are applied and they are following our finger. So this is how to customize the swipe to type effects. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.